How to add music to Instagram story. Adding music to your Instagram story can be done in two ways, using the music sticker or without it. How to add music to an Instagram story using the sticker feature. Open the Instagram app, tap on your story icon located at the top left corner of the screen and select either the camera square or a photo or video from your camera roll. Also, you can select a post you would like to share and tap on the airplane widget. Then tap Add Post or Reels to your story. From here, navigate to the stickers on the top bar of widgets and tap on the music. Select a song from the For You library or search for a specific song using Browse. Once you have chosen a song, you can choose to display various options, such as song lyrics, song name, or album art. You can also select the part of the song you want to play. After making your selections, hit the Done button in the top right corner and share it to either your close friends or your entire following by hitting your story. How to add music to an Instagram story without the sticker feature. If you prefer to add music without using the sticker feature, open a music streaming app such as Apple Music or Spotify and start playing the song you want to use. While the song is playing, open Instagram and record your story. The music playing on your phone will be captured in the story. However, keep in mind that using this method may not display album cover or lyrics to your followers. Although Instagram does not prohibit this, but you won't have access to the same features as the app offers, and you may face copyright infringement issues, and your story may be removed or your account may be flagged if this happens. Please leave your likes, comments, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.